Hello everyone, it's me, Boo, again. It's another video. Today it's the C-74 AngleWing. It has these canards in the front that makes it very stable. It has 1, 2, 3 angle changes in the wing. It's a very great, very easy paper airplane. It flies amazingly. You can throw it hard and weak. So it's very easy. It will take maybe 5 minutes to make. And let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to fold the plane in half on the long side like this. And then you can fold this edge, not both, but just one edge, into the folded side, like this, from that corner, until it catches right here. And you can line it up with that edge. Then you can flip it over and fold this side to match. Folding it in the same way. And then you can fold this edge into the center, or the folded edge, one more time, like this. You make sure you hold this layer tight. I'm just gonna rotate it to for my own purpose. Like that. And then you can flip it over and fold the other side to match, holding this layer together. Then you can open it up, and there you have the classic dart thing. Then you have these points where this edge intersects the bottom layer, and you want to fold this point down to land about in between those points. You can take a ruler and line those up and fold it down to the ruler and land it on the center crease, but you don't really have to. It's just an estimation. Just like that. Then you're going to flip it over and fold this edge into the center, making a triangle corner thing. And the layers are a bit thick and fiddly, but just do it. It's a little bit weird to make this crease. Like that. And then we're gonna make the canards. And how we do that is you take your finger and put it and open this pocket. And then you swivel that pocket, and you want to, I'm just gonna make the crease and show you. You have a crease right there, and you want to land that crease on parallel and on this edge right here. And then you want to repeat the same on the other side by opening that pocket, swiveling it, and placing that crease on that edge below it. Like that. And then you can flip it over, and you want to fold this point up again. You're not going to go from corner to corner. You will feel a natural catch, and that catch should be between where this edge intersects this edge below. you will feel a catch right there. If you don't, just make it catch right there. And you want to make a crease that runs from that intersection to that intersection. But before you make a full crease, you can just make a gentle crease, flip it over and make sure you line it up with the center crease. Just like that. Now you can fold it in half, not away from yourself, but inwards like that. Make sure it comes to a straight point. Like that. Oh, mine's not symmetrical. Let me just fix that. Just like that. And then you want to fold the wings so that this edge lands on this edge. But you have a lot of angle changes with the canards and the angle changes. So just think that you have just a continuation of that edge that just runs back here. And you want to fold that crease, that edge to that edge, like that. And when you have it lined up, you can crease the wing, flip it over and fold the other side to match. And you want symmetry over perfection. If you fail one side, then you want to fail the other side just as much. You want the symmetry is more important than perfection. And there you have it. Locking layers. It does not lock in a three-dimensional shape, but it flies amazingly. If you have trouble with it diving down, you can of course bend the back edges of the wings up, and don't bend them too much because then it's just gonna rise and then stall. Hope you had fun folding, and see you next time.